If you're a doctor, nurse practitioner, or physician assistant looking to do a CME cruise, look no further. At CME Travel Academy, we're going to help you do that on a customized schedule that fits your needs. Don't be confined to other people's schedules or other people's itineraries. Here, with this option, choose your location, choose your ship, and choose your dates. We'll help you figure all of that out and be able to still use your CME funds and your CME allowance. Travel anywhere you want to go. If you want to go to Kerala and experience the houseboat, you want to go to Hawaii, you want to walk the streets of Paris or Rome, or explore the natural beauty of Alaska or Costa Rica, it doesn't matter. We'll help you get there. Instead of going to the usual, where you're looking at the constrained schedule and sitting in a boring conference room or attending boring lectures on a rigid schedule, consider our option instead. You'll have half-day experiences only on the sea days. You'll have the rest of the day to experience a ship. You'll be able to go on the port days at your choosing and still be able to have a quality, evidence-based, guideline-driven CME experience. The way, if you're convinced, the next step is to try to choose the location that you want and the dates that you want. First, consider all of that and then decide if you want to do our 5-hour conference or our 12-hour CME credit conference. Once you decide, let us know. Either one is perfect for primary care, family medicine, internal medicine, physician assistants, nurse practitioners, PAs, or specialists. Once you've decided, go to the next step. Go to our website at cmetravelaacademy.com, choose the custom CME conference location, and then at that point, take a look. Our 5-hour conference allows you to do a CME course on cardiovascular, renal, and ethics courses at $895, or you can do a more robust course, which is our 12-hour conference that includes a few more conference lecture slots. Once you've decided on the type of conference and the type of hours that you want, then click this green button here. Once you click on the green button, you can kind of see our availability for all the different dates and dates and times that we have. Next, click this button here. Go ahead and register and pay for the option that you want. Once you've done that, just email us the ship name and the ship itinerary so we can customize the schedule for you. And this is pretty much it. At this point, you're able to be free and relax. We'll contact you within 24 to 48 hours with your customized CME experience aboard a cruise ship. And then about 2 weeks before your scheduled date for sailing, we'll remind you. And also a couple of days before, we'll remind you again. Either way, at this point, you're done and you're going to look forward to your next fabulous vacation. Consider CME Travel Academy for your next CME cruise experience. Don't hesitate to reach out to us with a website, via email, or call or text us at our phone number. Either case, we look forward to helping you travel and learn aboard a CME cruise using a customized CME cruise experience. Thank you again. We look forward to seeing you. Bye.